Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna do something super exciting. I'm trying Shopback for the very first time. Yup, first time ko mag-earn ng cashback habang nagsha-shopping online, and I'm so excited to take you guys with me. So if you're like me and curious kung paano gumagana ang Shopback, keep on watching. Okay, so first thing first, let's sign up. Punta tayo sa Shopback app or pwede rin sa shopback.ph. For today, I'm using the app, so let's open it. So kapag mag-sign up ka, you can use your email or kahit mas madali, you can link your Google or Facebook account para mabilis. Also, if you're signing up for the first time, don't forget to use my referral code so you can get some bonus rewards. You can check my referral code sa description box. Once you're all signed up, you'll get an email verification, and once you click that link, you're officially ready to start shopping and earning cashback. Now that we're all set up, let's start browsing. If you're looking for a specific stores, just use the search bar. For me, I'll search for Shopee kasi madalas ako mag-shop doon. So ayan guys, maghahanap lang tayo ng item na pwede nating orderin sa Shopee. For example, ito guys, yung blanket. Ikakopy lang natin yung link. Then, balik po tayo sa Shopback. And i-paste na po natin yung link na napili natin na item. And after natin ma-paste yung link, lalabas ang item details at kung magkano ang cashback na pwede nyong makuha. Ang ganda nito guys kasi real-time nyong makikita ang possible savings nyo. So kapag nasa Shopee na kayo guys, i-check out nyo na lang ang item tulad ng normal na ginagawa nyo. Makakakita kayo ng notification sa cashback app na nagsasabing we're tracking your cashback. Dito nyo malalaman na successfully na na-track ang purchase nyo at makukuha nyo ang cashback sa loob ng ilang araw o linggo depende sa policy ng app. Shop during sales. Mas malaki ang discounts and cashback kapag tumapat kayo sa sales events tulad ng 12/12 or payday sale. And that's it guys, ganyan lang kasimple mag-earn ng cashback habang nagsha-shopping online. It's a great way to save money while still getting the items you love. Kung nagustuhan nyo po itong video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know sa comments kung meron pa kayong tips or tricks for online shopping. Salamat sa panonood and happy shopping! See you in the next video!